Maple syrup season calls for extra special McCafe lattes. Freshly ground espresso.
This is an emergency alert. Important details will follow. This message is transmitted by the request of the Canadian Defence Office. At 8:44, the Canadian military discovered an unknown missiles. At this time we know the missile is heading for the southern central part of Canada. People in the following places should take shelter in the closest or designated blast shelters, or face certain death: Alberta, Manitoba, Ontario. If you are within a 30-mile radius of these places, seek shelter, or if there is no shelter near, stay indoors. Block all windows and block all exits to the outside. Stay tuned to find out for information on this matter.